What? Are we recording? Oh, hey guys. So today I will be showing you 5 different ways that you can sell on Amazon. Stay tuned. How do people do that? I guess it doesn't work. Okay, fine. Stay tuned. Oh my God. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. So today I will be talking about 5 different ways that you can sell on Amazon. Hey, that was catchy, right? Okay, so number 1, right? We've got retail arbitrage. And that's basically when you go to a store, let's say example, you go to Walmart, right? You get something that's on the clearance aisle and then you look it up on Amazon and you see how much the going price is for, what they're actually really selling for, and then you buy that, you take it home, you send it to your warehouse, your Amazon warehouse, and you flip it for profit. It's that easy. You guys should try it sometime. Okay, next one would be private label. Now I heard of private label, but this one's actually like a little bit harder to do because you have to find the supplier, you have to make sure it's a good quality product, and then once you do that, then you can throw your brand on top of it and send it to Amazon and make money that way. There's people that are making really good money like that. I'm not one of those. I sell books. Okay, number 3 is wholesale. That's when you buy wholesale items, like lots of items, and you resell them for profit on Amazon. Okay, number 4 is merch by Amazon. So merch by Amazon, if you haven't heard of it, is when you basically sign up to do business with Amazon using their merch by Amazon site. And what people usually do on there is they sell t-shirts, they customize them, and they sell them for profit on Amazon. No brainer. You guys should apply for that one. I tried, but I don't know what happened. I think my application gotta be done over again for some reason. I don't know, I'll look into it. Okay, and number 5, last but not least, is the Amazon digital products, such as the Kindle. You guys are writers, or you're talkers, or you just like to say stuff, then you might as well put that in writing and make some good money out of it. There's people who are selling books on the Kindle platform. They also get them printed on paperback. There's no need to use CreateSpace anymore because that's done away with. So what you would do now is just go on the Kindle app. What is it? The Kindle Creator app, something like that. And you write your book on there. They help you with the cover page and everything. The formatting, all that stuff is right there at your fingertips. And that's another way that you can make money selling on Amazon. Enjoy. Last but not least, if you guys enjoy watching that video, why don't you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your peeps so everybody can get a little piece of this Amazon business. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Oh my God.